This is Mark Cuban, the outspoken billionaire known for his sharp insights on finance and investing. In this video, we'll dive into his top 5 passive income streams that could help you pave the way to financial success. First up on Cuban's list is dividend-paying stocks. He emphasizes the power of dividends as they provide tangible value to investors by generating passive income consistently, even in market downturns. In a world of financial opportunity, this investment strategy stands out as a beacon of stability and growth. Picture this. You invest in a company and in return you receive a portion of their profits in the form of dividends. These dividends can provide a steady stream of passive income, helping you build wealth over time and secure your financial future. Dividend-paying stocks offer a unique advantage. They provide a tangible return on investment, regardless of the market fluctuations. By reinvesting these dividends, you can harness the power of compounding and watch your wealth grow over time. Investing in dividend-paying stocks isn't just about receiving passive income. It's also a testament to a company's financial health and stability. Companies that consistently pay dividends demonstrate a commitment to shareholders and a strong track record of profitability. Whether you're a seasoned investor planning for retirement or a young professional looking to grow your wealth, dividend-paying stocks offer something for everyone. They provide a sense of security in uncertain times and a path to financial independence. So, are you looking for a reliable and rewarding investment strategy? Consider Mark Cuban's passive income stream, which is dividend-paying stocks. Start building your financial future today and unlock the potential for long-term wealth creation. Take the first step towards financial freedom with dividend investing. Next in line, AI companies. As most of you are aware, in today's fast-paced world, technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. And one of the industries leading the way in innovation is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, the possibilities are endless. But did you know that you can also invest in AI companies and make it a part of your passive income strategy? While Mark Cuban normally shies away from individual stocks, he sees the potential in AI-related companies due to their pivotal role in shaping our future. Investing in AI companies can be a lucrative opportunity for those who are looking to diversify their portfolio and generate passive income. As these companies continue to pioneer groundbreaking technologies, their stock value has the potential to soar. By investing in AI companies, you are not only supporting the future of technology, but also positioning yourself to benefit from the growth of this industry. Imagine earning passive income while contributing to the advancement of artificial intelligence. It is a win-win situation. Cryptocurrency takes a turn on Cuban's list as a bold, high-risk opportunity. Cuban believes in the value of cryptocurrency backed by smart contracts, emphasizing the potential for significant returns. However, he advises caution and recommends only investing what you can afford to lose in this volatile market. As you all know by now, cryptocurrencies have taken the financial world by storm, offering a new and exciting way to invest and generate passive income. Whether you are an experienced investor or just starting out, the world of digital currencies presents a unique opportunity to grow your wealth and secure a steady passive income. Just as Mark Cuban says, investing in cryptocurrencies can be a profitable venture for those looking to diversify their investment portfolio and earn passive income. With the right strategy and knowledge, investors can capitalize on the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. As digital currencies gain mainstream acceptance and adoption, the potential for significant returns on investment grows, making it an attractive option for those seeking passive income opportunities. Just imagine earning passive income from the comfort of your own home simply by investing in cryptocurrencies. It's never been easier to get started. Next on the list is S&P 500 index funds. Cuban and Warren Buffett align on the benefits of low-cost S&P 500 index funds for consistent long-term returns. With an average annual return of 10%, the index presents a reliable source of passive income for investors aiming for steady growth. For those who don't know, the S&P 500 Index Fund is a diversified investment portfolio that tracks the performance of the top 500 largest companies in the US stock market. By investing in the S&P 500, you are essentially investing in the backbone of the American economy. Diversification is key when it comes to investing, and S&P 500 fund offers just that. With holdings in multiple industries such as technology, healthcare, and finance, your investment is spread across different sectors, reducing risk and increasing potential returns. Investing in S&P 500 Index Fund is a smart way to passively grow your wealth over time. Historically, the S&P 500 has delivered solid returns, outperforming many of the actively managed funds. As a long-term investor, one can benefit from the compounding effect of reinvesting dividends and capital gains, allowing your investment to grow steadily over time. Just imagine you are in the Caribbean on the beach relaxing, or in your bed sleeping, and your money is working hard for you, providing steady passive income stream. With the S&P 500 Index Fund, that dream can become reality. Lastly, Cuban dives into private company investments, a high-risk, high-reward venture that he regularly navigates on Shark Tank. While Mark Cuban has insider access to these opportunities, everyday investors can explore passive income through crowdfunding platforms or mutual funds, potentially generating income passively. Private company investments provide an avenue to support innovative startups and established businesses across different sectors, from technology to healthcare to real estate. Investing in private companies allows you to be a part of an exciting venture and potentially reap significant rewards as the company grows and scales. Unlike publicly traded stocks, private company investments provide the opportunity for hands-on involvement and the potential for high returns, making them an attractive option for passive income generation. By diversifying your investment portfolio with private company opportunities, you can spread the risk and capture growth opportunities in dynamic market sectors. Unlock the potential of passive income through private company investments. Secure your financial future and grow your wealth with these innovative opportunities. As Mark Cuban himself says, diversification is key to financial success. Explore various passive income streams and invest wisely for a secure future. We can all take a page from Mark Cuban's playbook and consider these passive income ideas to pave way to financial freedom and wealth. Remember, strategic investing and diversifications are your allies on the road to financial prosperity. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. I appreciate you stopping by. Until next time, God bless.